In the last year, I've talked to almost 500 sales and marketing leaders across our customer base. Because Warmly is a go-to-market tool that spans sales and marketing, I get an insider view into how sales and marketing teams are working together to drive top of funnel. One of the biggest and most confusing topics that sales and marketing teams are dealing with is what to do about SDRs. And no, I'm not going to peddle some bullshit to you about how AI is going to replace SDRs. SDRs are fundamentally needed and awesome. Whether you call them SDRs or BDRs or MDRs, doesn't really matter. Human beings to help drive book meetings are essential for pipeline. But what's interesting to me is I've been noticing a trend. And that trend is that over time, I'm watching more SDR orgs report up into marketing instead of sales. Even though typically sales get started with the SDR organization because they want to go outbound and sort of more intentionally prospect smaller sets of accounts in order to drive top of funnel, really probably brought about because they weren't satisfied with marketing's leads. I'm now noticing an interesting shift, which is that as more automation and AI is brought into some of the classic SDR channels, calling, LinkedIn, and email, it's actually allowing for marketers, sometimes probably demand gen marketers, to co-opt and manage the accounts of those SDRs at scale. You'll notice a lot of different tools enable you to create Jenny, the SDR, who isn't a real person, but then you create Jenny 1 through 60 or maybe 60 different names. And all of a sudden you have a marketer who is essentially running and pretending to be SDRs en masse. And then when the prospect replies, of course, a human SDR takes over. What this has created is the ability for marketing to be able to unify their approach to generating pipeline. And actually, I think having a single stakeholder or a single point of failure is what's best for leadership to create within their team when it comes to top of funnel. Let sales focus on what sales does best, which is generating bottom of funnel deals and close one. Whereas I think marketing should be the one fully responsible for generating pipeline, not website views like a lot of people talk about, but pipeline, which are booked meetings by SDRs or by marketing working together in tandem. Because you have to be able to use your people, your tools, and your process effectively to drive an effective marketing organization. With the rise of AI agents in marketing, we're now seeing this really fascinating combination where you can create an AI-enabled SDR, which is an SDR who knows how to cleverly use Perplexity or ChatGPT or scaled tools around generating messaging for LinkedIn, email, or cold call, but is able to flag what's working and what isn't up to a single point of failure in the marketing department. So a challenge that I would really issue to any executive team out there listening is really think about whether or not your SDR team should be reporting to sales when putting them up through marketing and linking all their accounts to the different strategies that your marketers are running could be much more effective at unifying that single source of hopefully victory, not failure, for your marketing efforts to generate more pipeline than you've ever generated before.